Babe,
All right.
are you ready for
Oh
this?
my gosh, yours is literally dripping right
Yeah,
now. Cut
okay,
into
ready?
it, cut into it, cut into it. Another day. Oh, another vlog. We're back, people. What's wrong, Bubby? What's wrong today? You have
I have a really bad headache.
you have a bad headache. You know what we should do?
What?
Is eat some junk food and comfort food.
I need it.
So in saying that, what are we doing today, babe?
We thought it would be really, really fun if we tried to recreate our favorite dessert.
Ever in life, which you guys already know about, we've vlogged it several times. Lava cakes. A lava cake. But yeah, we're gonna try and make a lava cake and hopefully it turns out good.
I hope it works. Imagine if it tastes...
I'm gonna laugh so hard if it's a 100% fail. But anyway. So, with that said, anyway, this video is brought to you by, drumroll please, the Lenovo Smart Display with Google Assistant. So this thing is basically like a smart speaker. Like they're pretty popular, so you guys probably know what they are, where you talk to it and it talks back and gives you info and stuff. But this one has a screen. Hey Google, pull up Jess and Gabriel on YouTube.
Alright, check out this Jess and Gabriel station on YouTube.
Oh, holler for $1. Babe, oh, don't tickle me, babe.
That's why I sing your praise will ever be on my lips, ever be on my lips. Your praise will ever be on my lips, ever be on my lips. Your praise will ever be on my lips.
None of that was planned.
That was all off the cuff. We're just funny and improvise things. Hey Google, play a Jess and Gabriel video on YouTube.
Okay, playing Jess and Gabriel on YouTube.
Oh, they pulled up our husband and wife tag.
What was our last argument about?
Oh my gosh, go watch it guys if you haven't. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, that's so cool that you can call up our YouTube videos.
Hey Google, pause the video. It's my friend. Like, actually, sometimes when Gabe's not even home, I'll just be like, hey Google.
Do you actually talk? That is so funny.
It's really funny.
Hey Google, compliment me.
If I could travel through all of time and space, I'd still want to come hang out with you.
Oh. Hey Google, if you were a booger, I'd pick you. Alrighty then. Now that we actually have to get to the
That's
day.
not what you say.
What?
Alright, laddie.
Oh, alright laddie. Let's get the show on the road, shall we?
That's better. People would have thought that other one was weird.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. I apologize, guys.
It's been a while.
I know, it's been a while since I said that. Anyway, moving on. So since we have to get to the rest of the day, babe, what do we have to do?
We need to go grocery shopping.
My favorite.
Guys, I love grocery shopping.
Me too.
And I am always like, babe, let's go grocery shopping.
And I always go with her.
Right. So we're gonna go grocery shopping and we need
Yeah.
to get everything for the lava cake because I don't think we have it.
Hey Google, show me recipes for lava cakes.
Sure, here are some recipes.
Give me the money.
Oh.
Are you drooling?
Yum. You can't look at that and not drool.
Yeah, I know.
Are you
That's
kidding me?
actually incredible.
Hey Google, add 1 stick of butter to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added 1 stick of butter to your
Oh, holler for $1, baby. Oh, you want me to say?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Hey Google, add some vanilla ice cream to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added vanilla ice cream
I
to
love
your
that that
shopping
was the
list.
one that you chose to add.
Yeah, I had to, babe. All right, so as fun as adding things to the shopping list is, I don't think we're gonna vlog us saying the entire thing because we don't want to make the whole vlog just us adding things to a shopping list. So we're gonna actually go shopping and buy the things that are on our shopping list and then make some lava cakes. All right, so here's the deal. We're on our way to the grocery store. The grocery store. What was it?
The grocery store?
We're on our way to the grocery store, but it wouldn't be
The Jess and Gabriel vlog.
if it wasn't. I need
thing.
this thing that we say that I'm trying to figure out how to properly incorporate it into the sentence. But first, coffee. Oh yeah, cheers.
To coffee. Yeah, coffee. Yum.
To lava cakes. Literally every time I mention it, you're like,
Guys, it's just like the best dessert ever.
I can't argue with that. That is the truth. All right, so here's the deal. What's gonna happen is Jess is gonna do the important things while I do the camera, because I don't know anything about cooking and stuff like that. I don't know if you can see my face turning red, but a lot of blood is rushing to my head. And, ow.
That hurt?
No. I screamed.
You screamed?
We all screamed.
For lava cakes?
All right, baby, ready to start cooking lava cakes? Let's go.
Oh, I need to tell you something. I completely forgot to tell you.
What?
A couple of years ago, probably when I was like 15, maybe even 14, I tried this and it failed.
You tried making a lava cake?
Yeah, like me and a friend tried years ago and I don't even remember how I did it, but it failed so bad. I think we tried to make it in the microwave. I wish I remembered more about like how it all went down because it failed so bad. But I have a good feeling about this.
Me too. It's rock and roll.
Because we're all
in this together. We're all in this together. How did I do that? Oh my gosh. It was floating.
That was magic.
That was magic. All right. It's time to cook. Let's get
Okay,
this.
are you ready for this?
Let's get down to business. Cooking with the Contis.
Oh yeah.
All right, we are ready to rock and roll. Should we just hit start cooking here?
Yes.
Start.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, holler for a dollar. Let's go.
Now,
Let's rock and roll.
I basically put like all the ingredients, like I separated them, but you need to.
Crack the eggs.
Are you good at that?
Yeah, are you kidding me? Oh yeah.
Okay, Google. Next step.
Combine the butter and chocolate in a large microwave-safe bowl.
I can do that for sure. I know how to use the microwave. Hey Google, how many teaspoons is 4 ounces? How many tablespoons is 4 ounces?
4 U.S. fluid ounces equal 8 U.S. tablespoons.
Okay, so
8.
let's do 8 of those.
I know how to count. Up. 1, 2, 8. Thanks. Oh yeah, come on. Let's go.
Are you excited?
Me, to eat them? Yes. To cook them? Meh. To eat them? Very much so. That is so good. That is what I'm talking about. Why are you laughing
I
at
don't know
me?
why it's so funny when you like do stuff in the kitchen.
Because I can't.
You're doing really good though.
All right, let's pour the lava.
The lava.
The lava. Oh, that lava's a little clumpy.
Oh my gosh.
Hey Google, what's the next step?
Add the chocolate mixture and flour to the egg
Stir in the
mixture.
sugar.
Imagine if I measure it all completely just so wrong.
Is that right? Guys, I'm not sure. Are you sure that's right, babe?
Yes.
That doesn't look like a lava cake to me. Watch me whip. Watch me nay nay. Watch me whip. Oh yeah, baby. Oh heck yeah, this is smelling
so good.
Oh my word. Oh yeah.
I'm so excited.
Oh, come on. This teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Come on, team, dude.
Oh my gosh.
It's real.
Okay, ready?
Okay, very nice.
You want me to do it?
No, I got it. You're talking.
I'm so strong.
Strong. It's not even funny.
Well. Okay.
All right, hold on. I can't. You got to put them right next to each other.
Oh, that was good.
I am a pro. I am a pro.
Yeah, I'm really impressed. Do you love cooking now?
No. Pretty sure I still like eating things more than I like cooking them. Oh, all right.
Baby, this isn't hot yet.
Yeah, but that is hot because we preheated it. Remember? Because I know what I'm doing because I'm a professional cook. So what happens is I take this with my polka dotted mitt. Thank you very much.
Okay, 13 minutes.
Yeah, 13 minutes on the clock. Hey Google, set a timer for 13 minutes.
Okay, 13 minutes. Starting now.
Thumbs up, Google. Good job. I know you can't tell right now, but I'm still vlogging with the mitt on. All right, well, we still need to kill, like, what is it now, like 10 minutes or so? So, hey Google, play Jess and Gabriel playlist on YouTube Music. Oh yeah. Come on. Hey Google, turn the volume all the way up. That is so loud. Yo, those speakers are awesome. Yeah, I totally forgot how to do that. You know, you win some, you lose some. Okay, thanks, babe. Good stuff, guys. There's 1 minute left on the timer. Speed round. Let's just start asking you questions. Go.
Oh.
Hey Google, how far is Hawaii?
Hawaii is 2,472 miles away as the crow flies.
Oh, very nice. We'll find some lava there.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the 2 thieves who stole a calendar? They each got 6 months.
Oh.
All
3,
right.
2, 1. The alarm is going off.
The lava.
We hear you, Google, please. Oh, that's hot.
Babe, I think we burned them. I'm really nervous.
Are you? Yeah, no, just go for it, babe. Just. Did it? What?
I think it worked.
Did it? Oh my word.
Gosh,
You
we
are
did it.
actually joking me.
What?
High five, babe.
Okay, wait, now your turn.
My turn? Do I have to do? Okay, all right.
You nervous?
Attempt number 2. Oh, heck to
Oh
the
my
yeah,
gosh.
my dude.
I
Come on, baby. All right, we successfully got ice cream onto the first one, so here we're doing the second one, dude.
I am so excited to try this. You have
I'm
no
ready
idea.
to stuff my face so good right now, it's not even funny. Oh yeah,
Woo!
we're professional
We
chefs.
did it!
Get on our level. We gotta eat these quick because they're melting, but Jess decided to get us little flowers and candle just to, you know,
Set the mood.
set the mood.
Babe,
All right.
are you ready for
Oh
this?
my gosh, yours is literally dripping right
Yeah,
now. Cut
okay,
into
ready?
it, cut into it, cut into it. Hold on. Oh my word, babe, we did it. High five.
Oh my god. Babe, this is my dream come true.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that is. Oh yeah. Okay, let's. Oh my word. Hold
Okay,
on.
ready?
3, 2, 1.
1.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Clink. We're so good at this, guys.
I can't believe we made a lava cake. What the heck, guys, this is so good. I'm really proud of us.
I am too. Normally, I'm not proud of like me doing cooking things.
Isn't that crazy how lava cakes work?
Yeah, how like happy they make you feel and lift up your spirits and your soul. Since the mood is super romantic and love is in the air and lava cakes are in our bellies.
Hey Google, pull up my wedding pictures. Aww.
Look at us. Look at that.
Oh, I
the
love
memes.
that.
Milo, do you like that?
Before we even knew Milo.
Oh my gosh, he was actually born like 5 days after
Yeah.
all these were taken.
Yeah, I cannot believe we just made a lava cake. I
Yeah.
cannot believe we did that.
So thank you, Lenovo, for sponsoring this video because that was fantastic.
Yeah, thank you so much. That was so fun.
That was very, well, I mean, I'm not really good at this kind of thing, so this thing helped. This thing right here, this bad boy that's playing our wedding album right now. Oh yeah. We love you. All this aside, this thing well, obviously was very helpful in this video, but outside of it and day to day, we've been using it for like the past 2 weeks or so. And it's actually really, like Jess was saying, she uses it all the time.
Yeah, I just talk to it sometimes. Hey Google. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed watching us in the kitchen, cooking with the Contis.
And I hope you, yes, cooking with the content. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not part of the best team on the internet yet, the Con Team. Peace out.
From Jess
and Gabriel Conti. Yeah. Okay. Good night.